Hello viewers, so finally Flipkart has teased that Republic Day sale will start on 17th of January 2026. And if you are a Plus or Black member, in that case the sale will start 24 hours earlier for you. And if you have HDFC credit card, in that case also you will get 10% instant discount on many products. In this video I will talk about 4 tablets. The first tablet in the list is Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Some people are asking me whether they should buy this tablet right now or they should go for Xiaomi Pad 7. Redmi Pad 2 Pro is a newly launched tablet, so you will not get that much of discount on this tablet. But if you are planning to buy Xiaomi Pad 7, that will make more sense, because you will get more discount on Xiaomi Pad 7. And if you are confused between Xiaomi Pad 7, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and Motorola Pad 60 Pro, in that case also I think Xiaomi Pad 7 is a very good competitor. The only problem with Xiaomi Pad 7 is that you will get very good hardware, but in terms of software support or software updates, there will not be any smooth software update for Xiaomi Pad 7. So if you have no worry about software updates, in that case you can definitely buy Xiaomi Pad 7. On the other hand, Moto Pad 60 Pro is also a very good tablet. You will get all the things like display, battery backup, pen support and many other things on this tablet. But here also you will not get smoother software update. But in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, you will get very good display, very good speaker, very good battery, and also software support will be very smooth from Samsung. However, the processor on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is not so powerful. So if you want better hardware, in that case you can buy Xiaomi Pad 7. But if your focus is on software support or OS update, in that case Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus will be better. And if you are a video creator or content creator, in that case you may need to edit your videos on iPad. In that case iPad 11th generation under 30,000 is very good. You will have no regret after buying iPad 11th generation for sure. iPad 11th generation is very compact, portable, and the display quality is also very good. If you want to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price is 28 to 29,000 rupees maximum. On the other hand, if you are planning to buy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case the best price is 23 to 25,000 rupees. And if your priority is Xiaomi Pad 7, in that case the best price is 20,000 for the 128GB variant and 23 to 24,000 rupees for the 256GB variant. And if you want to buy Moto Pad 60 Pro, in that case for the 128GB the best price is 21,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the 256GB, then the best price would be 23,000 rupees. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you want to buy in this Republic Day sale. A good number of people are watching my video but they are not liking it. So you are requested to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.